Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to recover Snapchat account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I'm trying to log in into my Snapchat account, but unfortunately I forgot my password, but I can remember the username of my Snapchat account. Now let's see how to recover Snapchat account when you forgot your password. So for that, here my Snapchat username, and now I'm clicking on forgot your password. Please choose how you want to reset your password. So from here I can select via email, I can select via phone. So right now I'm going to select via phone, and here I have to put my phone number, which one is associated with my Snapchat account, and then I'm clicking on continue, and here is the verification code. And now here I'll be able to reset my password. So I'm giving my new password here, and I'm confirming my password here, and now I'm clicking on submit, and now I'm putting my new password here, and I'm clicking on login, and here we can see my account has been recovered with my phone number. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.